Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Magdalena Panjaitan. I'm from Management Class 23A with NPM 234111198. What is status? Etymological roots derived from Latin status, Italian statista, German statistic, and Greek statisticus, all signifying state or office of the state. Pioneering figure. First systematically used by the German scientist Gottfried Essel in 1749. He is widely recognized as the father of statistics for this foundational work. Statistics serves as the backbone for understanding and quantifying various phenomena, providing a framework for advanced-based decision making. Modern definition. Broadly, statistics encompasses the scientific prospect of collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting numerical data to drive mainly conclusion. Two senses of statistics. Singular sense statistical method refers to the methodologies employed in the handling of data. This can include the systematic process of collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of numerical information. It is the know-how of statistics, focusing on the theories and products used to extract insight from data. Plural sense numerical facts data. As defined by the author discernation, this sense differs to the actual numerical facts or data that are systematically collected for a specific purpose. For example, can choose data economic indicator like GDP figures or market ratios result are example or statistics in the plural sense. It is the what of statistics, the raw numbers themselves. Statistics in economic, why it matters. Economic is fundamentally concerned with understanding how socials manage their centers, search and make decisions to statistics, and limited when this influence integrated relation and dynamic system, which are best understood through quantitative analysis. Statistics provide the essential numerical data and analytical tools needed to accurately describe and predict economic phenomena. It allows economic to quantitate actual indicators such as inflation rates, unemployment figures, gross domestic product (GDP), and consumer spending patterns. By leveraging statistical methods, economic and policymakers can effectively analyze complex economic problems, identify underscores and formulate robust, evidence-based economic policies that aim to foster growth, stability, and welfare. Key features of statistics plural sense. A group of facts statistics deal with groups of numerical facts not isolated. Figures a single number like this price of a car as however comparing characteristics of different models, years or regions from statistical data, allowing for manageable comparison and trend identification. Numerical expressed, all statistical data must be expressed in quantitative Terms statement like we products increased by unemployment rate stands status equality. Statements such as product quality has improved are not constrained status unless quantified. Influenced by multiple causes, economic phenomena are rarely influenced by a single factor. For instance, inflation is affected by supply chain disruption, consumer demand, government policies, and global events. Statistics helps in explaining and understanding the impact of these various causes on economic customers. Comparability and system collection. For data be useful, it must be collected, systematic, and be comparable. This means using consistent definition methodologies and frameworks with system collection. And comparability analysis can lead to mislead conclusion, making every policy formulation difficult. Real-world example Turkey Union Plumbing. Data collection dan analysis. Government regulation call a first area of data related to the labor market, include employment rates, labor force population, demography, breakdowns like education, insurance, and regional variations. Statistics analysis of this data helps population trends, people's or cause employment, and identities affected segment of the population. Informing policy education insight derived from this analysis are crucial for policy formulation. For instance, if data indicates high yield unemployment, policymakers might introduce target job creative program of vocation training incentives. Specific industries so they include the incentives or subsidies could be offered to stimulate growth. It to scores the migration how studies dresses enforce strategy and economic interventions. Benefits and limitation of economic statistics. Benefits. Informed decision making. Provide evidence-based aids for business, governments, and individuals. Resource allocation. Help decrease since results to are of great need or potent impact. Strength analysis. Identify pattern catalysts and long-term change in economic variables. Policy development. Support the creating of and targets economic policy. Rights management. Enable better enforcement and mitigation of economic rights. Limitations. Data complexity. Economic data can be encircle making analysis and interpretation challenging. Potential biases, sampling error reporting, inaccuracy or methodological faults can hurt bias results. Star sample data often represents past events and economic conditions can change reliability. Collection challenge. Gathering, accuracy, and data across economic share can be difficult causing. Intervention disposition in different statistics and economics might interpret the same data in various ways, leading to differing indication. Conclusion: the power of statistics in economics. Statistics acts as vital bridge transforming raw and often offering economic data in clear, and actionable insights. This transformative power is independence for anyone seeking to understand the complexion of our economic world. By following the tools to measure, analysis, and interpret economic phenomena, statistics becomes essential for progressive current economy. Plastics and focusing future trend understanding your to enhance the creating of education policies that are designed in improve living standard and foster sustainable development. Ultimately, a solid gas effective statistical economies improves individuals and individuals alike, from business leaders and government officials to everyday clients, to make more informed education, navigate economic challenges, and contribute to a more prosperous and equitable